Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to add a new workspace on VS Code. First, click on File in the top menu bar. This opens a drop-down menu with all your workspace options. In that drop-down, click on Add Folder to Workspace. This will open your system's file picker dialog. Now navigate to the folder you want to include in your workspace. You can select multiple folders from different locations if you need to just highlight the ones you want. Once you've got your selection, click the confirmation button in the dialog. It'll likely say add or select folder depending on your operating system. Your folder will now appear as a root in the File Explorer on the left side of VS Code. You'll see it listed there with its full name. If you want to add more folders to this workspace, just repeat the process. Go back to File, click Add Folder to Workspace again, select another folder, and confirm. Each new folder you add will show up as another root in the File Explorer. When you add that second folder, VS Code automatically creates what's called an untitled workspace. Now you need to save the workspace so you can reopen it later. Go back to File and click Save Workspace As. A save dialog will appear. Choose where you want to save it on your file system and give your workspace a descriptive name. When you hit save, VS Code creates a .code-workspace file with that name. You'll see the workspace name appear in the File Explorer with a workspace suffix next to it. A couple of quick tips. The .code-workspace file is essentially a saved configuration of all your folders. Double-click that file anytime, and VS Code will reopen with all the folders you added already loaded. Also, the workspace suffix that appears next to the name in the File Explorer is your visual confirmation that you're working in a workspace rather than just a single folder. It's subtle, but it's how, the workspace is active. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.